Okay, in this lesson let's learn how to work with some more shape tools. So if you right click on the rectangle tool, you can find a few shape tools inside that flyouts. So with the rectangle tool you can draw rectangles. If you want to draw square, hold the shift key and drag. Let's say if you want to draw a square or rectangle with a specific size, just click on the page and then you can type the height and width values in these boxes and tap OK. For example, let's say if I want to create 100mm by 50mm rectangle, so I can type 100 mm and 50mm in these boxes. Let's say if I want the values in inches, then I can type, for example, 3 inch. You have to type IN and 1 inch. Or let's say if I want a square shape, then I can type same values in these height and width boxes. Once done the settings, you can click OK. Likewise, you can create particular shape with a specific size as you need. Also, you can see some tiny circles around the four corners of inside the shape. If you drag from one of these circles, you can smoothen the corner radius of all four corners with the same radius value. Also, if you activate direct selection tool, under corners option in the option bar, you can change the radius value with specific number. Let's say if you want to change the radius of individual corners instead of changing them all simultaneously, first click to activate that corner point and then drag to change the radius of that corner only. Also, you can specify a unique value from this option. As well as with hold the shift key, you can select multiple corners, and then if you drag, you can change the radius of those selected corners only. So follow the same steps to draw with the rounded rectangle tool. Then next, with the ellipse tool, you can draw ellipse. If you want to draw circle, hold the shift key and drag. Let's say if you want to draw with specific size, then you can just click on the page and then type width and height values and tap OK or tap enter key. Next, if you take a look at the polygon tool, you can draw polygons with hold the shift key. If you click on the page when polygon tool is active, then you can draw polygons with specific radius values and you can decide the number of sides. The radius value refers the distance between midpoint of the object to the corner point, and sides refers to the number of sides of the polygon shape. So just try with some values and do some self experiments. Finally, let's focus on star tool. As usual, you can draw stars with shift key. Also, if you click on the page, you can draw stars with some values. So radius 1 refers to the distance from midpoint to this corner of the star, and radius 2 refers to the distance from midpoint to this corner of the star. Number of points refers to the number of triangles of the star. So again, try to do some self experiments with some different values and see what you can do. Later on we will do some real world elements, and we will be able to use these tools for those designs. Lastly, there is another tool called flare tool. We will take a look at this tool in later lessons. So in the next lesson, you're gonna learn object transformation. Thank you.